Hello dear students, I am Sanjeev Tayal and again I am with you with a new term, heroic couplet. In the last video, we just talked about dramatic monologue. I hope you liked that video. And in this term, we are going to talk about heroic couplet. You know what is couplet? Doha, a stanza of two rhyming lines. A stanza of two rhyming lines. मतलब एक ऐसा स्टैंजा जिसमें दो तुकबंदी वाली पंक्ति होती हैं. But here we are specifically talking about heroic couplet. So what is heroic couplet? Again, heroic couplet is a stanza of two rhyming lines. But here, the meter which has been used, that is iambic pentameter. The meter which has been used here, that is iambic pentameter. So a heroic couplet is a traditional form for English poetry. Commonly it is used in epic and narrative poetry, and it is having a rhyming pair of lines, and the meter which has been used here, that is iambic pentameter. Now, there might be a question in your mind. ये बात तो हमें समझ आ गई. A stanza of two rhyming lines, which is commonly used in epic and narrative poetry. But what is iambic pentameter? Yes, मैं आपको बताता हूं कि iambic pentameter क्या है. You know, meter, हिंदी में हम इसे छंद कहते हैं. Meter means the rhyme, the arrangement of the words in poetry in a particular rhythm, in a particular rhyme. Arrangement of words in a poem in a particular rhyme, in a particular rhythm. That is meter. And specifically in iambic pentameter, specifically in iambic pentameter, pentameter means there are total 5 feet. 5 feet means there are total 10 syllables. 10 syllables. What is syllable? Syllable is a unit of sound. It's a next higher unit of sound than phoneme. And what is phoneme? Phoneme is the least unit of sound. I will make a special video which will be concerned with phoneme, syllable, foot, and this metrical study. I will make a special video of that. So, अभी तक आप इतना समझिए कि पेंटामीटर क्या होता है. पोइट्री की एक ऐसी लाइन जिसमें 5 फीट होते हैं. 5 फीट कहें तो उसमें 10 सिलेबल्स होते हैं. मतलब हीरोइक कॉपलेट जो है वो डेकासिलेबिक होता है. क्या होता है? डेकासिलेबिक. 10 सिलेबल्स होते हैं. एंड व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय आयम्बिक? के हीरोइक कॉपलेट में जो स्ट्रेस पैटर्न होता है वो आयम्बिक होता है. आयम्बिक मतलब पहला सिलेबल अनस्ट्रेस, दूसरा स्ट्रेस, फिर अगला अनस्ट्रेस और फिर अगला स्ट्रेस. मतलब यहां पर स्ट्रेस पैटर्न क्या रहता है? आयम्बिक. आयम्बिक बोले तो अनस्ट्रेस, स्ट्रेस, अनस्ट्रेस, स्ट्रेस. तो पोइट्री की ऐसा कॉपलेट जिसमें 10 सिलेबल्स हैं और जो स्ट्रेस पैटर्न है वो क्या है? अनस्ट्रेस, स्ट्रेस, अनस्ट्रेस, स्ट्रेस. So this is iambic pentameter, but I told that I will make a special video concerned with metrical study. और उसके बाद देखिए क्या है कि heroic couplet, that I hope that is clear to you. And this heroic couplet was introduced in England by Geoffrey Chaucer, or you can say that was pioneered by Geoffrey Chaucer. Geoffrey Chaucer, he is a poet of Middle Ages, and Geoffrey Chaucer is known as the father of English literature. He is known as the father of English poetry. And Geoffrey Chaucer used heroic couplet in his works Legend of Good Women as well as the Canterbury Tales. Geoffrey Chaucer used that heroic couplet in his works Legend of Good Women and the Canterbury Tales. And heroic couplet was taken to perfection by John Dryden. Why heroic couplet is known as heroic? Yes, that's a point which should be discussed here. That John Dryden used heroic couplet in heroic poetry specifically. That's why it is known as heroic couplet. So this was taken to perfection by John Dryden and Alexander Pope. John Dryden, he just belongs to Restoration Age, and Alexander Pope, he belongs to 18th century. Where they used this particular term, heroic couplet? John Dryden used heroic couplet in his works Macflecknoe. Macflecknoe, that was a mock heroic satire, and who was satirized here? This was a personal satire, and there was a direct attack on Thomas Sedwell. Okay, so John Dryden used heroic couplet in Macflecknoe, right? And then one example of heroic couplet by John Dryden in this poem Macflecknoe, that is, all humane things are subject to decay. First line, and when fate summons, monarchs must obey. All humane things are subject to decay, कि सभी जो मानवीय चीजें हैं उनका पतन होना निश्चित है, और जब भाग्य बुलाता है तो राजाओं को भी उसकी आज्ञा का पालन करना पड़ता. They have to surrender, they have to obey the call of the fate. So आप देखिए इसमें राइम कहाँ है? फर्स्ट लाइन का जो लास्ट वर्ड है वो क्या है? डिके. और सेकंड लाइन का जो लास्ट वर्ड है वो क्या है? ओबे. डिके ओबे, डिके ओबे. दिस इज ए राइम which is there. So this is a perfect example of dramatic monologue. Sorry, this is a perfect example of heroic couplet. All human things are subject to decay, and when fate summons, monarch must obey. You must have read a poem by Alexander Pope and another poem by John Dryden in which he has used heroic couplet. That poem is Absalom and Achitophel. Absalom and Achitophel, that was published in 1681. It's a satirical poem by John Dryden, again a satirical poem, and this was also written in heroic couplets, and this is an allegory. This is an allegory. So this was also a perfect example of heroic couplets. And after that, Alexander Pope. Alexander Pope, he is a poet of 18th century. His works, The Rape of the Lock and Essay on Man, these were also in heroic couplets. These were also in heroic couplets. So, my dear students, this was a term, heroic couplet. So, I have told you what heroic couplet is and where this heroic couplet has been used, who introduced heroic couplet in England, and who took that to perfection. So if you like that video, then please like it, share it, and subscribe it. And please wait for my next video. Thank you. Thanks a lot.